The market reaction we're seeing in Tesla today, it's pretty extreme. How much of this is because Elon Musk tried to pivot to this idea of robotaxi and then couldn't deliver because he had to delay the whole event?
Yeah, I mean, I think it sharpens the knives between the bulls and the bears. Because the bears will argue gross margins missed, price cuts continue to happen, and lower ASPs. But in my opinion, this story is about AI, robotaxi, robotics. And really, actually, a price stabilization that's happening, and I think demand that ultimately is starting to turn the corner in China. So for me, I'm actually more bullish today on the Tesla autonomous robotaxi story than 24 hours ago because you got the date. I think outline maybe what I believe is going to be sort of the prototype, and actually pretty bullish on where they expect to actually start to see a dent. He said later this year, I think potentially into next year.
All right, we have a date for the event, which is October 10th, but we don't have a date for when things actually get going. And he's notorious for kind of pushing things off into the future. In the meantime, Tesla doesn't have enough of a lineup to really get people to come in and buy its existing cars. So what does Tesla do until the robotaxis really trickle down to the bottom line?
Well, so you go back 3 months ago, obviously stock's 140, the bears thing is going sub 100. Look where it is today. So the point is, the reason we are where we are today is investors are now starting to recognize the AI story. I think Tesla is the most undervalued AI play out there. We think AI alone could be worth $1 trillion to the name, as also this name is stabilizing from a demand and pricing perspective.
I'm going to ask you what Elon Musk has been asking users on X. Should he invest through Tesla $5 billion in XAI?
We've said it, we've talked about publicly, this is a no-brainer. Because to me, it's all about Tesla further and further doubling down on the AI story. And I think that's what investors want to see. I have never, from the beginning, viewed Tesla as an auto company. I view it as a disruptive technology name. But that's why, look, the bears are going to come out today. They definitely on the margin miss. That's why the stock's down. But I believe we sit here weeks, months from now, and investors now start to focus more and more on 10-10.